When machines start to think with us, that changes everything.
The world is changing faster than ever. Projects are growing and complexities are rising. Many call these challenges. We see them as possibilities. At Omega 365, we build the future together with you, our partners. And in 2026, we will be doing exactly that, this time in Oslo. Welcome to the Omega 365 Software Conference 2026, kicking off June 2nd and 3rd at the Clarion Hotel, right in the heart of Oslo. We will be bringing Omega 365 experts from around the world.
Or I can just ask AI, give me the cost per region. With bars. Anybody got goosebumps? Like, this is cool.
This is a conference built on experience, not on slide decks. Expect live demos, hands-on sessions, and real client cases that spark insight and inspiration. We'll do a deep dive into AI, digital twins, and real-time project control, turning complexity into clarity and control. We look forward to spending 2 days with you in Oslo to share, to learn, to challenge what's possible, and to take on these challenges and opportunities together. Because innovation at Omega 365 doesn't happen alone, it happens together. Welcome to Oslo in 2026. We look forward to seeing you there.